In last video, we have discussed volume of a material and different units used for volume and their relation. Today video we are going to discuss a physical quantity called density. What is density? Density. Density. Here I use symbol D. Actually, its symbol is rho. That is the symbol for Greek letter rho is used for density here. But just we use D, the first letter of density. Okay, small d. Okay, it is the amount of mass per unit volume. It is the amount of mass per unit volume. That is how much mass is present in a unit volume. That is the how much mass is present in a unit volume. That is, if a material has mass 10 kilogram and it has it has 5 meter cube volume, 5 meter cube volume, then how will you find the density of that material? If a material has 10 kilogram and it has a density 5 meter cube, how will you get how will you get how will you get the density of that material? If a material has mass 10 kilogram and volume has 5 meter cube, what is the density of that material? You just divide the mass of the material divided by the volume of the material. Then we will get the mass per unit volume, that is 10 divided by 5. 5 is the volume of the material. 10 divided by 5. 5 meter cube. That is 2. 2 is the density. What is the unit of density? Mass by volume. SI unit of SI system. In SI system, mass of the unit mass unit of mass is in SI. What is kilogram? Volume meter cube. Kilogram meter cube is the unit of density. Okay. When we use SI, density equal to mass by volume. That is total mass of the material divided by total volume of the here is less used for divided by. Okay. Total mass divided by total volume of the material. Okay. SI unit is kilogram meter cube. Kilogram meter cube is the SI unit. Okay. But it is commonly used in gram per centimeter cube. Commonly we use gram per centimeter. In chemistry we use gram per centimeter cube. The SI system, in SI system kilogram meter cube, but normally we use gram per centimeter cube or gram per ml or gram per liter, etc. Okay. But that is the density. What is the density? It is not a mass. It is density has some relation. Density has a relation with the mass. It is actually the mass per unit volume. That is total mass. To get the density of a material, first we find the total mass of the material. Then find the total volume of the material. Then total mass of the material is divided by total volume of the material. Then we will get density of the material. Okay. The density has so many importance, and here we are not going to discuss that. Here you just the definition and mathematical expression, that is mass by volume. You just remember it. Then unit also. Okay. Now another unit is temperature. The letter for temperature is capital T. Usually temperature is capital T. Okay. It is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. How much hot a body is. How much cold a body is. How much hot a body is. That is the temperature. It is the degree, level of hotness or coldness of a body. SI unit is Kelvin. Kelvin. It is for the honor of Lord Kelvin. Okay. Kelvin is the scientist. Here he used as unit. That is the SI system. The unit of temperature is Kelvin. Kelvin, for use the symbol K, capital K. Okay. It is commonly expressed in degree Celsius. Commonly we use degree in Celsius. Uh, in some cases we use SI units, some cases we use Celsius. Okay, that's all. Other units of degree are Fahrenheit, Kelvin. Other units are degree, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. That is what is temperature of a body? It will measure. It will measure how much hotness, or how much coldness of a body. The unit is SI unit is Kelvin. Other unit is degree Celsius. Degree. Here we write 0. That is degree. Degree. This read as degree Celsius. That is one unit. Degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Another unit of temperature. Kelvin is the SI unit. The other two units also used. That is degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit. Not to say degree Kelvin. Only Kelvin. Okay. The relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin. The relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin. This relation you should remember. Okay. That is degree Fahrenheit equal to 9.5 degree Celsius plus 32. This is the relation between degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. Okay, that is 50 degrees Celsius. How much Fahrenheit? This is the relation between degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. This is degree Celsius, this Fahrenheit. The relation between is this. That is, if temperature is 5 degrees Celsius, if a body has temperature 5 degree, then how much is in Fahrenheit? For that calculation, you just degree Celsius, you had degree Celsius, how much degree Celsius? 5 degree. That is, you just instead of degree Celsius, you just here and there or add 5. That is degree Fahrenheit equal to 9 for degree Fahrenheit equal to 4 by degree Fahrenheit equal to 9 divided by 5. 9 upon 5 into 5 plus 32. 5 and 5 cancelled. So 9 plus 32, that is 41 Fahrenheit. That is 5 degree equal to 41. 5 degree equal to 41 Fahrenheit. Temperature of a body is 5 degrees Celsius. Here we write 5 degree. 5 degree. Okay. This 5 and denominator 5 is cancelled. This is 5 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature of body. Then cancel. Then 32 plus 9. That is 41 Fahrenheit. Normally, our body temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, not in degrees Celsius. Yes. Our body temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Our body temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius. Body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. When we measure body temperature at the time of fever, that is expressed in Fahrenheit, they say that using thermometer 97, 98, 99, etc. we can find. You just to find the body temperature in Fahrenheit, you just write here 37 degree. Then 37 degree multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32. You will get Fahrenheit about 98 point something you will get. Okay. So you have to remember this relation. Then relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin. Degree Celsius and Kelvin. Here degree Celsius and here relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin. Here he write Kelvin. Is wrong. This Fahrenheit, right? Okay. You write this as Fahrenheit. No, I just write as a mistake. Sorry, you just correct it. It's not Kelvin. This is Fahrenheit. This is Fahrenheit, not Kelvin. Okay. In next video, we will discuss the continuation of this. Okay. Thank you.